Hello friends, welcome back to Archana's Cooking and Chit Chat. Today I am planning to make simple dal khichdi, for which I have taken these two bowls of rice in which I have mixed moong ki dal and I have cleaned the rice and the dal, the mixture of rice and dal properly under running water, under tap water, and I have chopped the tomatoes, chopped an onion, a medium sized onion, and I've chopped these two green chilies. I've taken potato and I've chopped those in small pieces, in medium sized pieces, as you all can see. You all can take any other vegetable also of your choice, like beans, capsicum, carrot, any other nice attractive vegetable of your choice in your khichdi. And about dals, again, some people like using other dals also in khichdi, such as arhar, tur ki dal, masoor dal, hari moong ki dal. So you all can also use any dal of your choice to make your style of khichdi. Now this is my style of khichdi. I've taken the cooker and I've kept it on a low medium flame, and I've added a tablespoon and a half of oil into it. Now I'll start adding all the important ingredients in it. Friends, I've added the tadka to the oil in the cooker. I've taken the basic items for tadka. It is cumin seeds, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, the chopped green chilies, curry leaves, and onions, the chopped onions. This is what I've put in the tadka. I'll also add the potatoes, the chopped potatoes in it, and let it get, I'll saute it for at least a minute. Let it get cooked for at least a minute. I shall also add some dhania powder into this tadka in a while. I'll add it about after 30 seconds. And then I'll add the chopped tomatoes, and after that I shall add the rice and मूंग दाल का मिक्सचर. तो दोस्तों, तड़के में तो काफ़ी कुछ जा चुका है. मैं फिर से एक बार आप लोगों को बता दूं. मैंने तड़के में डाला है जीरा, राई, सरसों, हल्दी, प्याज, जो कटे प्याज थे, और कटे हरी मिर्च, कटा टमाटर, करी लीव्स, कड़ी पत्ता, और धनिया पाउडर डाला है मैंने थोड़ा सा, करीब एक छोटा चम्मच. और अब मैं इसको कुछ 30 सेकंड के बाद इसमें मैं राइस डालूँगी. तो थोड़ा सौटे किया, तब इसमें मैं राइस और मूंग दाल का मिक्सचर डालूँगी, और उसको थोड़ा अच्छे से मिक्स करके उसको मैं कुकर में सीटी दूंगी. करीब एक से 2 सीटी काफ़ी है और हमारी खिचड़ी तैयार हो जाएगी. दाल खिचड़ी रेडी हो जाएगी. I've mixed the rice and dal well into the tadka, and I've added around 4 bowls of water, 4 to 5 bowls of water. You all can add more also. It would be good to make a nice like khichdi is usually a bit diluted compared to other rice items, right? So you all can make it as per your choice. All right, let's wait for it to get cooked. A couple of whistles should be sufficient for a khichdi to be ready. Okay, and yeah, I have added 3 small scoops of salt and 1.5 small scoop of red chili powder to the khichdi. The khichdi is getting cooked. Let's wait for 1 or 2 whistles. I've kept it on a medium low flame, and it should be ready after 2 whistles. We'll let the pressure go down and our khichdi will be ready to serve. दोस्तों, हमारी खिचड़ी तो बन चुकी है कुकर में. उसका प्रेशर थोड़ा कम हो रहा है अभी. Now along with this, I'm going to make cucumber raita, for which I have taken a cucumber, an onion, 2 small green chilies, and a tomato. I'm going to chop all of these in fine pieces and we'll add those in the curd. And I'll add some salt, a pinch of salt and a pinch of red chili powder to it, along with some coriander leaves. Friends, the khichdi is ready, the raita is ready. Voila! I can't wait to eat all this. Of course, I'm not going to eat all this alone. My husband is also there. Yeah, he can eat all this alone. Kidding, guys. But yes, he's definitely got a good diet and I cook accordingly. So hope you liked our today's simple dal khichdi and simple raite ka recipe. Do let me know in the comment section, and if you have a simpler version of any of my dishes, do let me know in the comment sections about that as well. So see you soon, guys, with yet another simple, easy to make and tasty recipe. Till then, do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Bye bye.